I'm outside the sustainable beef plant in North Platte, Nebraska. Factory was built between 2022 and 2025. Currently stands today at over 500,000 square feet.
Founded by local ranchers, feedlot owners. We source Angus cattle from 250-mile radius, and we've also partnered with the largest retail company in the world, Walmart.
State-of-the-art design. The fact that the factory has a single line corridor running the whole length of the plant, running a third of a mile, connecting all parts of the factory. The whole factory is designed first and foremost around worker safety. You're struck by the height of the ceilings, the size of the workspaces, the room that each worker has to work in.
This was a challenging project from an IT perspective because one, we had zero data. So we were building a system without any data to play into that.
Emydex were privileged to work with Sustainable Beef to be chosen for the supplier for all of their factory floor traceability and production, and we've been working with them for about a year before the go live.
We sat down with Emydex, designing exactly how we wanted that process to work through the eyes of our general manager.
And during the go live, we had a team from here in the US, from Kansas City, as well as team members from Canada and from over in Ireland, all come and be on site and be part of the go live to make sure that not only that our system was up and running as intended, but that Sustainable Beef themselves have a good go live and a good opening of their business.
After that, even though they're not here physically, we're talking with those folks every single day as we continue to ramp up to our maximum number each day.
One of the things that we're providing them is that traceability to be able to tell when a particular piece of finished goods was produced and at what grade, and being able to trace that back even to which lots of cattle went into creating that batch of finished goods.
We can see and follow a single carcass really from the time it arrives here at the plant until the time it goes into fab on a real-time basis has been really phenomenal.
So allowing them to trace where their product is coming from all the way back to which rancher and feedlot they got it from.
And there's never been an instance where we have a code red, a high level issue that we need to deal with. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock in the morning. Somebody's online with us, whether they're located in Ireland, Canada, here in the States, Australia, New Zealand, all over the world, and we're solving those problems. For a company that is a startup processing company, there's only one choice. That's Emydex.